Hello and welcome back to Viralstyle Academy. Again, I'm your host, Luke Stassi, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Facebook pixel tied into your Viralstyle account. So Viralstyle and Facebook can talk to each other. So basically what this is doing is the sales that are happening in Viralstyle will send that information into Facebook, and then Facebook will start collecting that data, and then you can go into your Facebook reports and begin to see sales happen. You really are going to need to do this. And in this video, I'm only going to show you a basic first step of one particular item of data that you can collect. It's called an add to cart, which I think is the most valuable piece of it. There are a lot of other bits of information that you can collect in page visits and actual checkouts. We're going to get into that in more detail further on down the road. But in this particular video, we're just going to show you the very first step, which is getting that add to cart feature working. So first thing you need to do is get logged into your Facebook account. I've just got this dummy account here. Click the drop down menu and go to manage ads. Get into your account here and then go to your menu up top here at the left, go to all tools and go to pixels. And you're going to be under this Facebook pixel tab, and you're going to only have one pixel right now. In the new Facebook pixel, you have one for your account. You go to actions, view pixel code. And there's going to be this big chunk of code here. The only thing you need though is this right here. If you double click on this chunk of numbers here and you copy it, that is what you need. And you just would press done. Then you come over here to your Viralstyle account, come up here to the menu in the top right, go to my profile, and then you're going to go to tracking pixels. And I've already installed this here, but all you do is you paste the code in here and then you're going to click save. And now at this point, Viralstyle and Facebook are going to begin talking with each other. It takes a little bit of time for the data to start going, and we are going to do a little step here to nudge it along the process to get it going quicker. So what you need to do is go to campaigns, and you're going to need to have created some sort of campaign and launched it, whether it's a dummy campaign or an actual campaign. You're going to have to go in here to the campaign, and then you're going to click on it and go to the actual live campaign page. And then what I need you to do once this loads is just click add to cart. And so what this now just did is when we clicked add to cart, that pixel that is now installed in your Viralstyle account just sent a bit of information over here to Facebook. And here's the thing, and I'm just going to let you know, after you first set this up, it's going to take anywhere from maybe 20, 30 minutes, maybe even up to an hour before Viralstyle and Facebook really start talking to each other properly. So what I would recommend doing is maybe coming back in here every 5 or 10 minutes and then just click add to cart again and click add to cart again, and then maybe even go to pay with credit card. You don't actually have to check out, but just get here into this checkout phase and maybe do this, I don't know, 5 times, 10 times. You can even try opening a few other campaigns and doing it in there. Basically what you're doing is every time you do this, you are forcing Viralstyle and Facebook to talk to each other, and that eventually that data is going to start transferring properly and it's going to activate your Facebook pixel. So I've tested this a couple of times, and what we found is it takes maybe about 20 to 30 minutes on average from what we saw before our Viralstyle account and our Facebook account were talking properly. So I say to keep doing this add to cart several times, just because every time you do that, it's going to fire that pixel and that information should transfer over. So once you wait, your next step, and again, this is going to take about maybe a half an hour before it would happen. Under here, you'd actually see this pixel would list as active because now it's showing that the data is transferring between Viralstyle and Facebook. And then you're going to come up here to your menu, click on this, go to all tools, and then go to custom conversions. And this is one I'd created. I'm going to go ahead and just delete this so you can see what the screen would look like. When you first get in here, it's going to say create custom conversions, and you would just click on this big green box here, and you're going to click this drop down menu. Now, in that first half an hour before Viralstyle and Facebook start talking, all you're going to see is these top two, URL contains and URL equals. But the one that you really need is the one that says event. And eventually this one event will show up after time. It just, however long it takes Facebook to recognize this pixel being fired and the data gets collected. So maybe wait a half an hour, come back and try this, but you can keep checking on it. And when it's active, you come in here, choose event. And the event you're going to choose is add to cart. I say that this is the one that we found is working best of the events that are in here. I'm not going to go into all the details of the how and the why and the testing that we've done and the people we've talked to, but I would say just follow our example here in 101, choose add to cart. Under parameter, just ignore this part. You don't have to add anything here. And then the category is going to be add to cart. And you'll just click next, and then you could name this something like Viralstyle add to cart. Just something simple so that you know exactly what it was when you created it. And then you're going to click create, and simple as that, your custom conversion pixel is now created. So right now it's showing as not active since we just created it, but the reality is if you were to do this a few more times and give it some time, eventually you would see that this pixel would become activated, and then that's going to show you that the two are talking to each other. And again, though, like I said, a couple of seconds of me switching from one tab to the other, that activity is not transferred over yet, but give it some time, give it maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and eventually this pixel is going to show as active. So that is all you need to do. And you are set at this point as far as now you've got your Facebook pixel talking to Viralstyle. And what it's going to do is every time somebody adds a t-shirt to their cart, this pixel is going to collect data, and then that data is going to show up in your Facebook reports so that as your ads start to run and those ads, you're selecting this pixel to go with it. What's going to happen is every time somebody adds that t-shirt to their cart, it's going to show that information in your Facebook reports. So you'll be able to tell that that activity is happening. And we found that this add to cart one is the one that works the best as far as collecting the right data and optimizing. So that's it as far as how to get your Facebook pixel installed. Hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next series.